Need help UV unwrapping your model and applying an image texture? In this quick tip, I'll show you how to use Smart UV Project in Blender to unwrap and apply a texture to a specific location on your model. It's a pretty simple process, so let's knock this out real quick. Click on the Shader tab, and in the Shader Nodes section, press Shift+A. You can either click Search or just start typing. If you type Image or just I am, you'll see Image Texture in the drop-down menu. Click on it to add an image texture node. In the image texture node, click Open, then find and select the PNG file you saved. Now plug your image texture node into the base color of the BSDF shader. Now it's time for UV unwrapping so that the texture will be properly positioned on the model. Click on the UV Editing tab at the top of the screen. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the UV menu. If you just click Unwrap, you'll end up with a result similar to this, but it's not very easy to work with. So we're going to unwrap this model using a different method. Click on the UV menu, then click on Smart UV Project, and then unwrap. You'll end up with a result like this, which will be much easier to work with. Now, let's make sure the sign area of our image texture is projected to the right spot on the model. Select the faces on the dumpster where you want your sign to be located. For this dumpster, I'm going with front and center. Select multiple faces by holding down the Shift key. Only the selected faces will appear on the image texture side. Now you can select all of the faces on the image by clicking and dragging the lasso around them. You can now position and scale the selection over the sign area of your image using the Transform and Rotate gizmos, as well as the S hotkey to scale. Adjust as needed to make sure the sign is projecting in the right spot. Once the sign is positioned, it's time to place all the other faces on the solid color part of the image. This is the section of the texture that represents the color of your dumpster. To do this, click on any face on the model, then press the A key to select all. Then deselect each face for the sign by holding down the Shift key. On the image texture, you'll now see all the selected faces, minus the ones we positioned for the sign. Position and scale these faces the same way. I hope you found this Blender quick tip helpful. If you did, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you would like to see more Blender and animation related videos, go ahead and subscribe. And be sure to check out our website at realsketchanimation.com.